Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't beat Wolves 2-0 for the Molineux Stadium again, and that match was not very easy because for the first half, Wolves throw everything we then get against us. The guys, they throw all their weapons, all their arsenal. They use the arsenal, because they fight Arsenal. And when you check that match, before the match starts, Wolves did 20th for table. Arsenal did first. It's gonna be like the best and the worst. It's gonna play together. But for that first half, Wolves let us know, say, you see, we don't come play. We have no like that 20th position over there because normal Wolves have what we know. They know the team with the day for the relegation. That's why this league is very hard. And what's going to add more pressure to Arsenal? And the fact say Man City already drop point. If we check some kind of senior celebrity Arsenal fans, they don't already go for social media. They post some kind of things. For example, I checked Darren Benz. Babak post one tweet. He say Arsenal, you know what to do. So everybody was expecting Arsenal to put up a performance and deliver 3 points. But they don't say it no go dey easy like that. So for that first half, they did a lot of things. Sure, we were lucky. Saliba said for the beginning, get one kind of tackle way into it and do counter attack. They thought say therefore even give a red card. Like the Wolf coach say after the match, when they complain say they're supposed to even give Saliba a red card. But lo and behold, after the second half just starts, get Arsenal with a different animal. Arsenal just change. Arsenal give them quick succession, back. Win them 2-0 and that 2-0 can't end. And we already talk say Wolves, they don't get players who go play. They are missing Pedro Neto, Jimenez, Diego Costa, Chiquinho. They still had Guedes did the players. They still had Podence even entered, destroy as in the guy caused a lot of damage. You get. They still had Ruben Neves. You get. All these guys, they played very well yesterday because they wanted to really impress their new manager Lopetegui did for the bench, for the stands, they watch, they observe how things they go. And the caretaker manager, like how they control everything. So as everything just try for them. And another thing we can happen, we don't really like now. The first 90 seconds of the match, Granit Xhaka can hold him belly go down, say, I can't continue. And I think I know if they change first 90 minutes. If not, why for no play you at all now? So they can say, okay, what are we going to do to make still they play? So the guy can't continue to the play. At the end of the day, I think it took him 13 or 14 minutes before they can change and bring in a Fabio Vieira. We enter the match, run 1 or 2. Even when they complain, say why they go put a Fabio Vieira and leave somebody like an El Neni on the bench, because I saw El Neni warming up, El Neni and Vieira warm up. They no complain, they can't put El Neni that kind 89 minutes, 90 minutes mark. And when they call put El Neni at the end of the day, but Fabio Vieira proved himself. Then give Odegaard the assist to about busting net to score goal 1-0. So at the end of the day, we try our best. Now we are 5 points ahead of Man City as the World Cup breakdown goes. So this is the time. Sure, at the pray say World Cup for no even come, because now we will break our momentum. Now we don't know what's going to happen for the second half of the season. Even though we are optimistic, so we will carry this our rich vein of form once the second half starts. So the second half is like a reset for everybody. Both those when they get bad form, like all those kind of Tottenham Hotspur, Chelsea, when they're in bad form now, they'll go reset now. They will come relax. Everybody will come recover very well, because even yesterday, Spurs they struggled to win with that Kulusevski, Richarlison, Son, Kane, everybody. Okay, I think Son was no day that much, but I see Richarlison, Kulusevski, and Kane. They still struggled, even though they won 4-3, but they struggled. Now everybody will get a breather. Now as the match will restart, we'll see what's going to happen. And after the first match, before they go play another one again, now January, Happy New Year. So the window will be open. So we need massive reinforcement, because regardless of what we play against West Ham, whether we win or lose, we'll still be top in the league. That is the beauty of that 5 points gap, or the gap Man City. At the end of the day, Pep Guardiola say Brentford, they deserve their win. So this is what it is. Our familiar setting where I can they explain what is up with Granit Xhaka. So Baba can they explain, say for that match we play yesterday, 5 Arsenal players had a very uncomfortable day. They were sick, you get. You got the explain, say what do Xhaka? Xhaka get stomach pain, you get. But they don't say it go dey serious like that. They just be saying that minor symptom. That's why as the guy they play, no be saying an injury. His stomach the pain. I'm saying you don't know what he even sup. You don't know what the guy eats, get. So after that one, so Baba Conte they expatiate further. When they talk say no really Xhaka, say that 5 players, there are 4 more we get the same symptoms, but just thank God say their own no dey as severe as that Shaka own, because it no really affects them. Now only Shaka really affect the commercial Shaka for the game. So the boys really tried beyond all reasonable doubt, try everything, put in all their minds, physicality and everything, risk their life for Arsenal to make sure see them win. Imagine playing football with illness. That's why for the first half we were a bit sluggish one kind, because most of the players no dey really fit, but there's nothing we can do about it. Baba no know wetin dem chop, you get, whether na food poisoning, we don't know, but at the end of the day we still got the 3 points, 3 maximum and important points, you get, that one 9 counts. One of our senior man, our community member Emmanuel Okereke, Baba send me 10k. Just send me say, Sir CHUKS, I love what you're doing. Send me your answer, bro. Send me your answer. Let me bless you, man. I love what they do. So Baba send me money. So Baba, anywhere we take see money to bless our show, to support our hustle, we God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name, and it shall lack. You will never lack again. Senior man, get out to try. God bless. Away from that, so Villarreal don't set 40 million euros on CHUKS. Say if Arsenal won't sign CHUKS for any reason, say we need them, we should be ready to cough out 40 million euros. Do we have that money? Yes. Is the guy going to fit our plans? That's what I don't know yet. Because me, all those players who they come from La Liga, who they come from other leagues, I don't tire to hear acclimatization, adaptation, all those big English. I don't want to hear that for players. If the player no do well, why Saliba no do acclimatization? Not be from Marcel Saliba they come. Why Saliba no need time to adapt? Saliba came in and slotted into the first 11. Why no need time to adapt? That's what you are talking about. Look at the Gabriel Jesus came in, slotting immediately. That's what we are talking about. Not be every player need adaptation. If you good, you good. Anywhere they carry you go display. That's what it's supposed to be. Don't be saying they will give you a excuse, because at that they come outside, they talk about Fabi Vieira in this adaptation. Okay, quite and good. No yawa. Okay, what about this CHUKS now? You don't know what for where in there now. If you can't bring and come now, you can't hear say he's not used to the league. He's coming from a different league, a different weather, a different team, a different country, a different this, a different that. At the end of the day, go say he needs to adapt. How many years will take adapt? Maybe sign 4 years contract, will give him 2 years adaptation fees. Come on, man. We are more than that now. We're bigger than that. We could sign stars waiting for the EPL. I know some people go to talk say, and those stars they're very expensive. I think let's not manage the talk that say those stars they are expensive. English players they're expensive. More if you want to win, you have to spend the money. Newcastle is a testament. But I thought even talking yesterday. People got Newcastle put mouth. Newcastle is a testament to the fact that you need to spend money to get to where you want to be. You get, look at Newcastle today for third. They are 7 points behind us with one. They don't play one more game. Imagine that kind of thing. 7.2, which means anything can still happen. They are like 2 points or thereabouts behind Man City, and they have played one more game. So for you to say this season, school, nobody they play for here. So away from that, so Jack Wilshere self don't come outside. I want to talk about Arteta training session for Arsenal. So you're going to talk say, you see Arteta training session, say it more demanding more than at Arsene Wenger own session, because this is a new dispensation. Arsene Wenger don't come from the time of the old. Now difference is now it's going to be called gang pressing. You have to press your opponents, confuse them. If you watch what happened yesterday, a lot of you may not observe it, but whenever Wolves want to goal kick, Wolves will always get 3 center backs, because Wolves they play 5-3-2 that yesterday. Before one score, they can't change their shape to 4-man defense. So before then, we were playing, if they won't play goal kick now, keep a whole ball, they will just get 3 defenders, 1, 2, 3. Arsenal will get 3 attackers, so go hold them 1 for 1. It gets so that if he pass the ball, they go rush them. Most people can say, no, I'm not passing. Everybody go inside. You can't play long ball. That is the effect of pressing. If say we know the press, the keeper go pass the ball, you get to go get confident, but you know say Arsenal pressing now, we are a pressing machine. No, you play for here, so you can't loud the ball. So now what the guy just they do? So that pressing, you know, they easy because you are playing without the ball. You are exhausting a lot of energy, because without the ball you are running up and down. You get trying to catch the players and make them make mistakes. You get now what Newcastle self do against Chelsea? That pressing mad. You get they go high up the pitch, play high line. Press them, you get from pressing, you press them and collect the ball. So that's what Arsenal was doing yesterday. So well, I just like the Arsenal they play. Odegaard self come outside from media setting, call the talk, say almost in that match, it is very difficult to get. The first half was a turn on our flesh. They were pressing us, counter attack, back, they won't kill us. Get so the halftime talk from Arteta, and I can change everything. See now for that halftime, they can't pass the ball to Partey in the middle of the park urgently. Get the whole ball, they give Partey. They can't distribute the ball to the wings. Get as they carry the ball go wings. If you watch, I even observe that thing. They will carry the ball go wings to draw out the defenders because they are playing a 5-man defense. To draw them out and overload the box. So as they draw them out, that's why I go say Saka no really they do 1v1 to go. Draw them out. Once you draw them out, you go like this, give the midfield back fast in quick succession, back before you know. Keeper don't point out or don't wipe and shot the jumper. That's what we were doing until we did it right. And Fabio gave Odegaard that assist and Baba scored and come be 1-0. So thank God to Arteta for knowing the right things to say to the players to motivate them. I said that yesterday, if you get one thing where we learn for this EPL, now the fact say Man City, they are not spirits, they are not superhumans. They are human beings like me and you, and Brentford don't prove and say Man City are humans and they can make mistake. If Brentford can beat Man City 2-1, then who says another team cannot beat them? In short, the way Brentford they beat Man City with 25% possession, it needs to be studied in football school. It needs to be studied make people understand how did they do it, because initially when that match starts, me I see that match like it's going to be a physical match, and if you watch that first half, Man City, they know all those kind of Barcelona tactics, they're going to fall up and down, they're going to find penalty, even Kevin De Bruyne, they find penalty up and down, but at 7 times they find penalty, referee no saying them, play on, come and score normal goal, which I'm saying the 5 penalty. Even for the first half, if you fold in, score that 1-1, you get my mind be say, when this match don't end. I know you just watch them again, because if Man City don't equalize 1-1 for first half, second half it will go happen. I know watch them again. As I just come back, I say okay, I just check what they play. 79 minutes as I just come back, I see 1-1, I say this one will good to watch you. Now I resume my watching. When they pray for Brentford, say I beg Brentford, I do it for us. So I know and behold, they did it very well for us. So we say if our mom know they fear them, they be human be like us. Then the Alan what's happen? Ben me, special accolades to Ben me. Ben me gum Alan like say they be twin, they be Siamese twins. He gum on like this. Alan don't say anything play. Anytime they don't short. They don't understand the tactics wey Man City do. Anytime we Kevin De Bruyne hold the ball at the edge of the box, everybody understands that he want to square play to Haaland. Bemi go meet down. Square play now, Bemi go knock them out. Haaland, that in height, that in towering giant height, nothing, shishi, you don't see anything. And that's why this league is the best league in the world. My father Arteta can't come aside for the media setting. Can they explain more about the tactics we Wolves won't use for Arsenal? So Baba the talk say they were hoping to catch us on the break. They were hoping for us to make mistakes. They will not make those mistakes. They'll come catch us on the break. Can't do counter, can't go score. Similar to waiting Manchester United do with them beat us 3-1. I mean 3-2. Similar to what happened that time with them beat us. All they had to do was give us all the possession and wait to catch us on the break. You get like this Wolves try you. They play the 5-3-2. They call it that Adama Traore for that front. You get that Traore, it was a thorn in our flesh. Traore and Guedes, now they used for that front 5-3-2 because they were lacking manpower. So I don't know why they can't play like that. Just then they home, but they were playing massive defense and massive attack. At the end of the day, it backfired against them. They were pressing us in the first half, but we all know that you can't press for 90 minutes. You go tired. You know be robots. You go tired. Even Man City will be pressing machine. They don't be press up and down. You go tired, and that's what happened. As they lose guard, let them know. Arteta still on the talk say, almost say this whole weekend, people just talk about Arsenal, Man City, Arsenal, say that pressure. You can't be like say, you want to enter our head, and that is a very, very big mental test. And the fact say, few hours before Arsenal go play, Man City already drop points. Many pundits on the talk a lot of things about Arsenal. The pressure was in the air, like you can't deny it. I even talk and I say, they go fit handle this pressure because a lot of people will be expecting them to win. If you like not win other matches, but see this particular one, a lot of people wanted us to win it because of that 5 points potential gap we go did there. So at the end of the day, the boys really they tried their best and they went all the way and got the 3 points. At the same time, Arteta said when we talk about this World Cup, so Baba can say, well, say he no fit do anything now because this one will break our momentum. But yet, say those wey dey go World Cup, say wish them all the very best. And the only thing when they beg them now, they say make them please take care of yourself, take good care of yourself. No one here say you go World Cup now, you can't come back injured. We need everybody to come back again. So please take good care of yourself. Our World Cup contingents where they go, they're not too plenty like that. I don't think they're that much. So for those where they go, better try. Key players like Odegaard, Zinchenko, I don't think they have anywhere they are going. So they're still there with the team again. But those where they go, I better go. Better not go get injury. And when I don't forget, say I be talk, say I go check how many games Thomas Partey don't play without getting injured. So I can't do my research. I can't say for the past since September 23. Now by that time where Brazil and Ghana play one friend with Thomas Partey, they say the guy the train can't get one kind of small injury. They say okay, but they come out and we ask Arsenal send them back to us. That was before the Arsenal Tottenham game. So as them send Partey come back, Partey come play the Arsenal Tottenham game. We even score a spectacular goal. We they even talk say they part of the goal of the week. So after that game, since then till now, Partey don't play like Arsenal don't play 13 games. So Partey don't feature for a lot of them. So he never gets any injury. So it is safe to say Partey don't survive 13 Arsenal games because his previous record was 9 games. You get 9 games in quick succession. The guy don't get injury. He never played more than 9 games for Arsenal. So for the fact that he has been there, Arsenal played 13 games, no. For some cup games, they will put him as a cameo appearance, but others he played everything and still fully fit. So it is something to tell. It is something to be happy about. Say the physios, they don't work out something, a special package for Thomas Partey on how they will handle him, and special accolades to Mikel Arteta for his good man management. People like Zinchenko, people like Gabriel Martinelli, people like Partey, who will not see they be known injury-prone players. They have not gone to a lengthy injury this season, and it is a testament of what the guy is doing behind the scenes. He's doing very, very well, and this is what should say our own physio department themselves, they try all their best. So good accolades to all these guys. So if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.